In this video, I'll be showing you how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using TikTok on, whether you're on like an iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So what you want to go ahead and do is open up your TikTok application, like so. Now on the bottom right, go ahead and click on, you can just open up any, profile you want. Let's say I want to open up this one right here or something like that. Now, all I got to do is go to my profile icon. Now, let's say I don't want them to see that I viewed their profile. So if I go to the top right and I see that little like footstep icon, go ahead and click on that. My profile views are currently off. This basically means is that when my viewer history is turned off, people aren't going to be able to see it when I've gone to their profile. Now, if I turn it on, people are going to be able to see it. So if this is enabled right now, I don't want people seeing exactly when I viewed their profile. Go to the top right where it has that little wheel and then turn off viewer history like so. And no one's going to be able to see when you viewed their profile.